Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. We have been receiving many questions about whether IRS tax due can be paid using a debit or credit card. So in today's video, I will explain how you can pay IRS taxes using a debit or credit card step by step. First, go to Google and type IRS. You will see the official IRS website options. Click on Make a Payment. After clicking, the IRS payment page will open. You will see multiple payment methods there, which we will cover in separate videos. Today's video is only about paying with a debit or credit card. Click on Pay by Card. You will then see two third-party websites authorized by the IRS to accept card payments. You can choose either one. For this example, we select the second option. Once the website opens, you will see two options, personal tax and business tax. This video is related to the Form 1040 series. If you filed Form 1040 or Form 1040 NR and you have a tax due or received a notice from the IRS, this is the correct process. Select Form 1040 series. This is the main form for individual tax returns, so choose the first option. Now the payment form will open. Enter the amount you want to pay. You will see payment options such as debit card, credit card, and PayPal. Select debit or credit card and enter your card details. Make sure your zip code exactly matches your bank or card billing address. If it does not match, your card will be declined automatically. Many clients face issues when using business or virtual cards because most of these third-party sites do not accept commercial or virtual cards. Always use a personal debit or credit card for successful payment. After adding card details, click Accept and Continue. On the next page, you will be asked if you received a notice from the IRS. Select Yes if you received one. Otherwise, select No. Many international filers are confused about how to check notices. We will create a separate video showing how to open an IRS individual online account where you can view notices and text transcripts. Now enter your personal information: first name, middle name, last name, individual taxpayer, identification number or social security number, and date of birth. Make sure all details exactly match IRS records, otherwise your payment may not reflect properly. If you filed a joint tax return, add your spouse's information. If not, select No. Next, add your address, either international or United States depending on your situation. Enter a United States phone number and add the email address where you want to receive your payment confirmation. Check the box that says I am not a robot, answer the security questions, and click Submit Payment. A review page will appear. Double check all your information and submit the payment. The amount will be deducted from your card. Typically, the payment reflects in your IRS account within 1 to 2 weeks and your tax due will be cleared. I hope this clears all your confusion. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you want us to make videos on other IRS payment methods or on how to create an IRS online account, just mention it in the comments and we will make those videos one by one.